Hello friends, welcome in this sketchware tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you that how can I use the index component in sketchware. So at first I am gonna create an app naming index. So here is the app. Now here you have to at first give an edit text, another edit text, and a button and a text view. You have to give these four. Now on the button one click, you have to create two variables first, a and a b. Okay, now at first set the string variable a and b to a and b to text view get text, edit text 1 and edit text 2. Now get the text view set text, where is it, text view set text in it text view 1. What you have to set here, to string without decimal or to string with decimal, and then give the index of variable a and b. Okay, now we have to run the app. Just wait a while till the app run, and now I'm here you see the app is installing. The app is installed. Now I'm opening the app. Here you see. Now if I tap here, I am anonymous. Now here if I tap I, then see it happens 0. If I tap M, then it happens 2. If I tap anonymous, then it happens 5. And another way, if I tap anything that is not included here, like J, then it gives -1. If I give P, then it gives -1. If I give O, then it gives 7. So this is actually a mathematical solution of Java programming system, and this is hard to learn actually. So thank you for watching this video. I showed you how to use index in sketchware. You can learn it in Google. So thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe this channel, and you can like this video if you liked it, and please share these videos.